Yes, sir. Boss up with K. I'm back with another great state video, location video in your area, how to find these courier driver gig positions. This time we're doing the big state of Texas because they ride with Lexus. Rest in peace, Pimp C. So we're going to get into it. I got about over 10 companies in the big state of Texas, all the way from El Paso on the west side, Houston on East Texas. So hop on in. I give you the gems. Hit that like button, smash the subscribe button. Helps you get out to a wider audience. Helps people just like you find these gigs in your state, in your area. And also share and comment. If you don't see your state on my channel already, leave a comment and I'll do one for you. All right, let's get into it. All right, we are inside the laptop. First up, we got to do Express. Express is on every one of my state location videos. These guys get you to the money, get you your vans and cars rolling. Of course, they're headquartered in Austin, Texas, but they do have a few other Texas locations. But the main hub is in Austin. Go ahead to expresserrands.com. Link down in the description below. You just come here, go to opportunities, find these opportunities. You got jobs everywhere. All right. There's one in Houston as well, medical courier route. Let's see how much that pays. 5 p.m. start time. Great start time, Monday through Sunday. Probably mostly driving during the week. They don't give a pay scale. I know when I was running with Express, they were paying me 90 cents a mile. This was during peak gas surcharge. So I don't know if that's more or less now, but very reputable company. Good rates. Try them out. Link in the description below. Next, we got Hotshot Services. Hotshot Services. Headquartered in Albuquerque, New Mexico, but they got, locations all throughout the Southwest, West Coast, California. Let's see, where is Texas location? Next flight out, last mile warehouse delivery services. Headquarters in Garland, Texas area. So if you're near Garland, Texas, drop by Hotshot Services and tell them, man, you got a van, you got a car, and you're willing to drive, get on the road, get those wheels turning, get some money for you guys. So what they want you to do is actually email this address right here, information at hotservices.com, and they'll reach back out to you. Like I said on this channel, always do not just send out one form of communication. Do multiple. Email, call, pull up on them. Say, hey, see my van, see my SUV? I'm ready to roll. Let's go. And stay persistent because they got a lot of people calling them. A lot of people not serious, so they trying to weed them out. So if you show persistence, show you're serious, you get these jobs, get these contracts, and get these routes. Next, big dog, T-Force. T-Force, I did a long video for this one. This one is in every single state as well. Not going to go too long into it, but T-Force, like you see, pretty much the whole country. Multiple locations in Texas that you can get started with. Contact them, Opportunities US, and that's how you get started with the big dog T-Force. Next, we got corporate couriers and logistics. Where this one headquartered at Austin headquarters. They do on-demand courier work, medical courier work, airport services, trucking, all kind of opportunities for drivers. Let's see what we can find, some pay rates or some routes, some hours, some more information about corporate couriers and logistics. Yeah. So driver opportunities, email address, you got the make and model of your car. So like you can have a small van, pickup truck, have a camper top. Oh, okay. Usually when they do pickup trucks for deliveries are not secure because you can't, lock your load. So that's why they ask you got a camper top. If you do have a camper top, sometimes they will accept your pickup truck. But like I said, you still can make deliveries and pickup trucks, especially if you got a 4-door one, or if you got a extended cab. It's just, those small 2-door pickup trucks are really not valuable because you don't have really much cargo space. And it wants you to have a valid Texas driver's license, so they are only taking Texas residents. That's interesting. Or if you just move, you get it. I don't know. You might have to call them and see if you can work something out with them. Don't ask me. I don't know, but they will know. And this company CLDA, this is like a national chain or national board organization of courier transport companies, CLDA. Go ahead and Google that and just, put courier transport at the end of CLDA. I can't remember the exact website right now, but you'll find a whole host of courier companies in your state through the CLDA. But it's moving right along. Do all the hard work for you. Courier Depot closed on the holidays, so they probably won't be back in the office until after January 2nd. But go ahead and get your applications in now, so you'll be the first one they pull. Headquarters in Austin and San Antonio. Employment. It's a little outdated website here. You guys need to hire them a web designer. And you freelance web designers out there who might do Uber or Lyft, checking out this channel. There's always ways to make money. I'm always showing you guys ways to make money. So a lot of times you can come to these company websites and reach out to them. Like, these are very basic websites. So you can make some extra money in that regard. So, all right. So we got dispatchers and customer service. Doesn't look like they're hiring any drivers right now. But, you can go ahead and put your information in and see if they call you back. But I would just call and email, say, hey, I'm interested in driving for you guys. I'm an independent contractor, have my own van, a box truck or whatnot, car, and I'm ready to roll. If you're close to these areas, Satellite Road in Austin, Eagle Run Road in San Antonio, go ahead and pull up on them. Next, we got Hotline Delivery Systems. Dallas County, Tarrant County. These guys look like they use their own branded trucks, but a lot of times they still hire independent contractors when the loads get a little bit too much and they need extra help. Just go check out their employment line. Vehicles must be no more than 4 years old. So they do take independent contractors. Car can't be no more than 4 years old. You can be a courier or a truck driver. You got your own box truck, or you can drive their vehicles. So if you guys who don't have your vehicle right now, who just want to get a taste of the industry, see how it goes, kind of start building relationships, start building contacts, you can always drive for some companies as an independent contractor. They most of the time it's W-2, but I have seen some that's 1099, and you still drive the company's vans. And just some extra liabilities and insurance you might have to pay for, but you get higher pay in that end. So, of course, I'm gonna leave a link down to these websites down below and how to apply for these positions. Call, email, hit the application link, pull up on them, man. Start waiting around. Next, we got Sterling Express. They do documents, overnight, last mile shipping. They are a member of the ECA, the member of the Express Courier Association. I never even heard of that association. So we're going to have to check that out later. Certified delivery specialist. Let's see about employment, driving directions, refer a friend. I don't see any employment, but they do have a big phone number on this outdated website. They're in Houston. Got place of order, Sterling. We got the address down here. So I don't see any employment information, but we got plenty of email addresses and phone numbers. So I would definitely reach out with them. So I know they got to be taking drivers, and I'm pretty sure they got some work for you guys down in Texas. Next, we got jet couriers. I've covered this one in a couple of videos as well. Look like this company is in a lot of places. Here go Dallas, Fort Worth, Houston, New York, Chicago. Yeah, so I did them in a couple other videos. My New York video, East Coast video. Let's see, career no, driver opportunities. We want driver opportunities. So driver opportunities, owner, driver positions, owner operators, independent contractors. You guys with your own vehicle. Let's go. Let's get to the money. Jet couriers. Fill out this application here. But don't sit back after you hit the submit button. Don't sit for weeks saying, I ain't heard nothing, but don't want me, man. I can't never get no job driving. Nobody call me. You better call them first. You better get to it. Start playing with them. Next. Hazel's expedited freight. They go 24 hours, 7 days a week. Out of Austin, Corpus Christi, Houston, San Antonio. They're all over Texas. Ready to ship. Looks like they are more freight semi, but they do long shot hauling, snake bed, big box trucks, pickup trucks, cargo vans. Sorry for you smaller vehicles, but they want the big ones. Vans, box trucks, semis, hot shots. Contact them. There's no application, but they do have the address, email address, and phone number for each location. So if you're near one of these great Texas cities, pull up on them, send an email, and call for employment opportunities. Employment at hazels.com, or call this number right here. And then call these numbers after that, man. Bug them. Bug them, guys. Bug them. You want to work. Last but not least, we got First Choice. First Choice, the right choice. Delivery business, 1977. This website looks like from 1977. They're a member of the CLDA, the Customized Logistics and Delivery Association. Google that. You'll find a lot of courier companies for you guys to partner with. Or if you need, if you're a direct shipping company or a e-commerce company, you need things shipped out in your area, go ahead and hit them up. See if you can get some stuff, transported. Business to business. There's a lot of sides to business you can get a part of, man. Not just driving. We bosses over here. Boss up with K. Be your own boss. Contact us. Let's see. General information. Webmaster. But your webmaster, you need to be fired, my boy. Hotshot delivery, same day delivery. So they definitely using independent contractors. We just gotta get them to find you guys and to know, you're willing to drive for them. They're based out of Houston. Here's the phone number. Rush, Stat, Medical. So they do a lot. So they doing Stat and Medical. They're definitely using car drivers. They're not putting that in vans. So, go ahead and call them. Let them know you're ready to drive. You have medical and delivery experience. You done drove for DoorDash, Uber Eats, any other kind of driving delivery app. All those now start doing third party, deliveries, not just food. They're doing packages, they're doing medicine runs. So use those as references when they ask for references, or they ask for a resume. Go ahead and type your resume up, put these driving gigs. Use the actual company, like Uber has like a different type name, DoorDash has a different name. Make it seem more professional on the resume than just DoorDash driver. Put I forgot what the name is, but you can look it up. But that's how you get in with these companies. Those are the 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yes, 10, my bad. Okay, got 10 great Texas companies. Like I said, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button. If you're still here, I'm pretty sure you got some value out this content. Hit me up on my social media at Credit K on TikTok and Instagram. I answer your questions. Shoot me a DM. Just say what's up. And also tap into my Facebook group. I'll talk about business credit and grants and how you can get you a van or a car in your business name. So you guys with messed up personal credit, you can get you a car, no money down, no personal credit check, and leave off the lot that same day and get the rolling. Tap in with my business credit mentorship. Only $50 for an hour-long call. I will give you the game, the sauce, and everything to get that car in your business name. All right. All right, later.